examples. We're establishing a DNA bank among those who have missing relatives. And later on, we will have a separate team document many of those who disappeared during the drug war within the area from Metro Manila to Region 4. Titingnan din natin yung mga nawawala, mga ibang taong nawawala sa drug war, baka dito nag-i-intersect talaga ang lahat ng dapat hanapin na tao.
Okay, because may access po dito sa fish pond na nabanggit po ninyo. Ano po ito? I mean, could it be more than the case of the 34 missing sabongeros? Kumbaga parang regular po ba ito na tambakan, tapunan? Or talagang itong specific case lang yung tinitignan po natin dito?
Ano yan eh? Yung nga, kasi nga Gretchen, sinabi na nga natin na nagkaroon na nga ng intersection yung drug war tsaka itong isabong deaths eh, yung mga nawawala. Yung drug war disappearances at yung isabong disappearances ay parang nag-intersect yan. Kaya may mga common players within the two sets of untimely deaths or untimely disappearances of these people.
Ibig sabihin ho, maaring, I mean, there could have been drug war victims here, dumped
It
here.
also is possible. No? We're not discounting the possibility. Kasi
Yes.
nga, nagkaroon tayo ng occasion sa May Kawayan, no, kung saan nahuli ng NBI and drug suspects who happen to be somehow involved also in Isabong. Kaya yan ang ating, kasi arito eh, yung nahuli ng NBI sa May Kawayan noon ay mga police informant, mga police assets, at sila yung nahuli ng NBI yung panahon na yun.
Okay. Maaari niyo po bang mapaliwanag pa ng mas malalim kung paano po yung naging intersection na nakikita po ninyo dito nga po
Well,
sa kasong ito?
common players lang.
Oo.
May mga death squad talaga, may mga tao talaga hanap buhay nilang to get rid of people. Yun ang problema. Meron talagang tao na yan ang naging trabaho nung panahon na yun. Yun, that's it. It's as simple as that.